Welcome back to another edition of the Picture Book Post. I'm Dr. Aaron Shaw. Today we're going to be talking about The Heart and the Bottle by Oliver Jeffers. Yes, Oliver Jeffers is one of the probably the biggest picture book writers out there right now. His artwork is oftentimes super simple yet super kind of touching, and people seem to really like it. So The Heart in the Bottle, first off, I would say it's an interesting looking cover. I'm not sure what it's going to be about, but it already looks like it's going to be an emotionally impactful book, and so I think it's actually a pretty brilliant cover for that reason, and kind of clever title and idea. So the idea here is that you have a little girl that really, really loves to explore the world and see everything. She has lots of questions. She asks lots of questions and has a good time, but then she loses somebody, which also in turn makes her kind of lose, there it is, she loses somebody, makes her lose her spunk in adoration of the world. And so there's a metaphor drawn here where her heart gets put into a bottle, and then she never wants to take it out of the bottle, and it makes it hard to do things, makes it hard for her to enjoy things anymore, because her heart is always kind of in the way, even though it's tucked away in this bottle. And it takes a long time before she can break that. So that's kind of the concept of the book. The artwork here is, again, pretty good artwork in terms of it does a good job of evoking emotions. It's not great artwork per se, but it does a good job of making you feel what's happening in the book. So for that reason, I like the artwork. I like the cover. I like the concept for the story. And in the end, I think it's a great little picture book in terms of emotional impact. I had definitely had to explain it to my children what it actually meant after we got done reading it, but I still really like this, and it's actually one of my favorite Oliver Jeffers books there is. And as a therapist, I can use it all the time in my therapy practice when talking to people about having a hard time when they kind of cover up their heart and they don't want people to see it. So really like it. I would definitely recommend it as one of the better picture books out there, as long as you don't mind explaining a little bit to your kids kind of the details and what it actually means. So anyway, that's all she wrote. Thanks for listening to the Picture Book Post, and we'll talk to you next time on the show.